Welcome inside a mega rice factory. Today you'll witness the complete transformation of rice, from harvesting gadgets. The journey begins in the fields. Modern combine harvesters can harvest, separate, and collect thousands of kilograms of nutrients. After harvesting, the rice is immediately transported for processing. At this stage, the grain is still known as paddy rice and before processing begins, every incoming shipment is inspected and recorded. Quality control starts the moment the rice enters the facility.
Once approved, the rice moves to receiving pits where millions of kernels begin their journey through one of the most advanced food processing systems in the world.
The raw harvest has now entered the heart of the factory. In the next stage, powerful cleaning systems will remove dust, stones, metals, and impurities.
Before rice can be processed, it must be cleaned. Raw paddy arriving from farms often contains strong
Advanced air filtration systems continuously remove dust and lightweight contaminants, helping ensure that only clean grain moves to the next stage of production. After passing through multiple cleaning stages, the rice is now free from most impurities and ready for controlled storage before the milling process begins. Modern storage silos carefully monitor temperature and moisture levels, protecting grain quality before the rice enters the most. Modern storage silos carefully monitor temperature and moisture levels, protecting grain quality before the rice enters the most important stage of transformation. The husking stage removes the tough outer shell surrounding each grain. What emerges is brown rice, the first edible form of rice after harvest.
The journey of the brown rice begins here, flowing smoothly along the stainless steel, soon ready for sorting and packaging.
operations. The transformation is now well underway. In the next stage, polishing and optical sorting systems will refiniance. After whitening, the rice enters polishing systems. Here, specialized equipment smooths the grain surface. At this point, the rice has completed its primary milling stages. The next challenge is ensuring every grain meets strict quality standards. Using machine vision technology, optical sorters can detect imperfections invisible to the human eye, ensuring only Before packaging, every portion is carefully weighed. Automated systems ensure consistency across thousands of packages every hour. With packaging complete, the rice is now protected from moisture and contamination, ready for distribution to retailers and consumers worldwide. From vast agricultural fields to one of the world's most advanced food processing systems, every grain has undergone harvesting, cleaning,